visiting the correct deck here. I'm playing Golem Furnace, new Furnace update. Oh, he's playing RG. He's probably gonna get a hit. No, actually my knight is gonna counter him. Let's see what he has. So probably Fisherman or Hunter. No. Okay, he's playing Gravestone. I'm just gonna place Golem. I have Skeletons for a short defense, but I only think he has a RG Roll Giant. Yeah, I'm gonna place Furnace back here now, so it doesn't get any lightning value or nothing. Lightning doesn't kill Furnace, so it doesn't matter anyway, but I'm just gonna mirror him already. I'm also probably gonna buy the pass soon, because it has Evil Furnace, of course. The Furnace gonna just clean everything clean with the Fire Spirits. Nero Furnace is gonna connect and his Fire Spirit. I'm gonna get some juicy hits here. I'm just gonna cycle to my Tesla Knight again. Oh, he's going for OG Evil Witch and King. He's using King 2. I might just place OG now. No, he actually doesn't. His Evil Witch is gonna die. It's perfect. And his Fisherman too. He doesn't use the ability, so I'm just gonna wait for Golem Mirror, and then Furnace in the back. My Furnace still hasn't died yet, so he's cleaning everything up here. I need to use poison. Yeah. I'm already cycled back to another Golem, so I can just use Golem again. I'll probably mirror it. No, actually I'll cycle to my Furnace and do that. That was stupid. I should have just used mirror Golem. But that's fine. Because he pulled the Golem with the Fisherman. But I think I'm okay. I'm still fine here, I think. Or not. I don't know. Actually, no. No, he's not gonna take my tower, but he's gonna take some juicy hits. And with lightning, yeah, I'll just poison cycle him. This should kill him, I think. Yeah, it's gonna kill him. Right? Oh no, actually not. This is good way actually now. I'm gonna redirect his RG with Electro Spirits, and that should be. Yeah. This was actually a pretty long game.